folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're gonna take up the Arrows Marlin. Take her down here, get a little range test action going. Got her in high rates. I'm running a 2600 4S in her, because she is a 4S plane. All right, we're good to go. Don't need takeoff flaps. This is one very fun plane to fly. Do a nice slow gradual roll there. She'll fly inverted. Don't like flying inverted, but she will. Definitely gotta make sure I stay away from the power lines.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I'm only going around at just barely under half throttle right now. So looks good against them clouds.
Landing flaps.
Let's go ahead and get our landing flaps taken care of. There we go.
Flaps up.
All right. This time we'll do a landing with only takeoff flaps this time.
Landing flaps.
All right. Definitely gonna need to use flaps because she rolls for so long. Gonna take off with no flaps.
Landing flaps.
Whoa! Whoa, I should have set it, let her stay down. That was bad. But landing gear is strong, ain't it? All right, we'll do takeoff flaps this time.
Flaps up.
Here. Full speed pass.
Landing flaps.
There, that's the way you're supposed to do it.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Landing flaps.
There we go. Yeah, we got a little more time.
Flaps up.
Whoa! What happened? Oh my gosh, what happened? Tip stall, that's what I did. Oh my goodness. Well, folks, I'm having a hard time. Well, what do we got here? We've got a broken fuse. Yeah, broken fuse. The canopy popped off. Broke the nose off. Well, shoot. Hey, think I tip stalled. Well, thank goodness for hot glue, right? Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. We'll get her fixed.